We're here in a 2015 Lexus CT. We just installed the awesome Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system is going to be a brand new touchscreen that also works with your factory mouse. It's super awesome. It's going to have wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built into it. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CarPlay and how to configure your audio. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and take out your iPhone, open up Settings, and come to the Bluetooth menu. Then on your main screen, you're going to come to Settings, Phone Connection Settings, and make sure you enable wireless connectivity. Wait for the new Hamilton device to appear down here. When the new Hamilton device appears, click on it. A pairing code will pop up. You can ignore it, just click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And if you get a message that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Just like that, CarPlay functionality will automatically open. How cool. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds switches between the original system and the Hamilton system. All of your features remain intact. You won't lose any functionality. We have a few important things to do. We'll switch back to that original system by long holding this menu button for 3 seconds. Here in Media, you'll come to Source and make sure your original system is in aux mode. You want to forget your factory Bluetooth from your phone and forget your phone from the factory Bluetooth here. We're going to be using aux mode for the Hamilton device. Very occasionally, folks will say, hey, I would way rather use my factory Bluetooth than have audio streamed through to the Hamilton system via the aux mode. And for that, we say, okay, we have a setting you can change if you'd prefer to use factory Bluetooth. Just shoot our customer service team an email and we'll send you a setting you can change, and then you would have your phone paired and you'd use factory Bluetooth for audio. By default though, how we ship it out of the box, you're gonna wanna make sure that your original screen stays on aux mode. Of course, you can also play audio via your factory AM, FM, or satellite radio, and you can have CarPlay showing. Your sounds for directions will still come through if you do this. One important point to note, CarPlay initiates with a Bluetooth connection, and then it switches over to a proprietary Wi-Fi connection similar to the way AirDrop works. This means you may see the Bluetooth on your phone show connected and then go disconnected. As long as you're seeing CarPlay and your music is streaming, the device is absolutely working as it's intended to. Don't forget, long holding that menu button for 3 seconds at any time will bring you back to the factory screen. And when you want to play music out of Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, or any app in CarPlay, you need to be in aux mode. Of course, if you'd rather listen to your satellite radio and have navigation only showing in CarPlay, that's totally fine. If you have questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890.